The state of Maharashtra, from where a shocking incident has now come to the fore. Shiv Sena leader Mahesh Gaikwad was allegedly shot by BJP MLA Ganpat Gaikwad, and this took place inside a police station in Maharashtra's Ulhasnagar. The shooting took place inside the cabin of a senior police inspector, where the two politicians, along with their supporters, had gathered to file a complaint over a long-standing land dispute. Around 10 rounds of bullets were fired from two different revolvers. Both the leaders are seriously injured and they have now been taken to the hospital. The doctor has so far removed 6 bullets from one of the bodies. A case has been registered and 3 people have been arrested, including the accused BJP MLA. On the other side is Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, who's now ordered a high-level probe into this incident.
क्या हुआ अंदर का अपने को क्या मालूम, अपन बाहर थे। उसके बाद गणपत सेठ गोली चलाया और महेश गायकवाड़ के पास और राहुल सेठ के ऊपर।
महेश गायकवाड़ को और राहुल भाई को किधर किधर लगा है?
राहुल सेठ को इधर लगा है, महेश गायकवाड़ को इधर और इधर 5 गोली लगा है।
ज्यादा लगा है क्या?
ज्यादा लगा, 5 गोली लगा है महेश गायकवाड़ को।
क्या किया? वहां से उठा के उनको
लेके हम लोग हॉस्पिटल आए।
हॉस्पिटल में
हाँ,
FIR मध्ये फिर्यादीने दिलेल्या तक्रारीनुसार एकूण 6 आरोपी त्यांनी स्पष्टपणे नावांशी सांगितलेले आहेत आणि इतर त्यांचे साथीदार असं नमूद केलेलं आहे। सखोल तपासानंतर आपल्याला सर्व एकूण आरोपी निष्पन्न किती होतात त्याप्रमाणे संख्या निश्चित होईल।
एकूण किती राऊंड सर या पोलीस स्टेशनमध्ये फायर करण्यात आले?
प्राथमिक तपासानुसार आतापर्यंत तिथं लक्षात आलेले की 10 राऊंड्स फायर केलेले आहेत। एका रिव्हॉल्वर मधून 6 राऊंड आणि दुसऱ्या रिव्हॉल्वर मधून 4 राऊंड्स फायर केल्याचं प्रथमदर्शनी निष्पन्न झालेलं आहे।
डॉक्टरांनी जे सांगितलं त्याप्रमाणे महेश गायकवाड शहर प्रमुख यांच्यावरती 6 गोळ्या झाडलेल्या होत्या। पोलीस स्टेशनला जाऊन कृत्य करणं हे घृणास्पद आहे आणि त्याचा आम्ही निषेध करतो आणि जो कांगावा केला जातोय मुलाला मारलं वगैरे ते साफ खोटं आहे की तिथे काही अशा प्रकारचं झालंच नाही। तिथे प्रत्यक्ष हजर असलेली लोक सांगतात।
वो बोल रहा है कि ये फायरिंग मैं मुख्यमंत्री शिंदे की वजह से कर रहा हूं। ये फायरिंग के लिए मुझे मुख्यमंत्री शिंदे ने मजबूर किया है। महाराष्ट्र में कानून का राज नहीं है। बोलिए ना फडणवीस जी, आप आकर बोलिए सामने क्या सच है। अब किसको बचाने जाएंगे? हमारे ऊपर आप पुलिस भेजते हो, हमारे ऊपर रेड्स करते हो, तो अब क्या है? इस राज्य की स्थिति क्या है? अगर हिम्मत है तो सख्त कानूनी कार्रवाई करके दिखाइए।
This is a shocking case that has come to the fore from the state of Maharashtra. Allies BJP MLA and Shiv Sena MLA have fired shots at one another, and this when they were inside a police station to register complaint. There's been a land dispute between both the leaders, the leader belonging to the Bharatiya Janata Party and an MLA belonging to the Shiv Sena faction. And all of them, all these rounds that were fired, close to 10 rounds were fired within the cabin of a senior police inspector, led to 6 bullet wounds. My colleague Dev is now joining me on the story. Dev, what is extremely shocking is the fact that both the MLAs are allies, and more than that, this incident took place inside the police station.
To give you more idea, before you say anything of that, it will be startling to know that the accused and the victim in this case are distant relatives. Both are Gaikwads, they're related to each other. Also, to get an idea of the situation, you can see how many policemen have been deployed. More and more cops are already just coming because there are a steady stream of visitors and supporters from Mahesh Gaikwad's side, who is the victim. Like I mentioned earlier in the previous live as well, that 6 bullets were recovered from his body. His condition is extremely critical at this point in time, and a team of about 6 to 7 doctors specializing in various fields are also attending to him at the Jupiter Hospital. So you can also imagine that the complainant's family and other relatives and supporters have also been alleging the fact that they had only merely gone to solve an issue that they were trying to help out a Dalit family with in a land matter. and Ganpat Gaikwad, the main accused, comes in and starts firing like this. So definitely this is something there like Nyay Ka Mandir. It is considered as a place where people generally go to ask for the right things to be done, for justice. So they had merely gone to register a complaint, and something like this is definitely unexpected. So that is also what the supporters have been saying. But of course, later during the day, around 2:33 p.m., Ganesh Gaikwad and two other accused, while three others are still at large, which includes one of his own son, they're still absconding, while the other three accused will be produced in court via video conferencing, is what we have been told from Kalwa police station lockup, which is where main accused Ganpat Gaikwad has been kept.
Right, thank you, Dev. My colleague who's standing right outside the Thane police station where this shocking incident took place.